We have our ingredients from the box. We have our brioche buns. We have some lobster meat. Let's take our spices. Comes like this. It's very strong. And then this is the clarified butter with the chives. What I like to do is I take the meat, and these are giant pieces. I like to break it up a little bit. A little bit of mayo, a tiny bit of seasoning. The next step is we're going to toast our bun a little bit. Wow, it's really golden brown. It's crispy, it's crunchy. We take the beautiful chunks of lobster meat, and this is a great bite, which I'm gonna have one. That's seriously good.